Discover the timeless allure of Sri Lanka, a land where history and gemstones intertwine. Join us on a mesmerizing journey from the 17th to the 26th of February 2025. On an exclusive gemstone tour designed for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gem lover, this tour offers a hands-on experience like no other. Learn from renowned gemologist Kim Ricks and immerse yourself in the fascinating world of gemstones. Sri Lanka is home to some of the world's rarest and most valuable gemstones, including the illustrious blue sapphire. With over 2,500 years of gem trading history, this island is a true gemological paradise. Explore bustling gem markets, visit an enlightening gem museum, witness the intricate art of cutting and polishing, and tour several gem mines. This is a gemological extravaganza you won't want to miss. In partnership with Udara Garuj, Gemstone Detective has crafted this once-in-a-lifetime tour. Travel in comfort by minibus, guided by English-speaking experts, and journey alongside Kim Ricks, the Gemstone Detective. Seats are limited and bookings are on a first-come, first-served basis. Don't miss your chance to embark on this extraordinary adventure.